right, today behind me what I have is a Ram 1500. Now we see a heap of the big Mega 2500s. We have a Chevy 2500 with all of the fruit on it. They are a fantastic touring rig. But what about these little guys? And I mean little for the American truck owners out there. So the 1500s, they're a perfect daily. They're a great weekender. They're a great, short time tourer as well. We've got a whole bunch of fruit on it from the America's Garage catalog, and I want to run you through that right now and explain exactly what is America's Garage and how you can deck out your 1500. So America's Garage has been around since 2018 as a specialist importer of great American truck products. It's now part of the Outback Kitters Group, which is super exciting because it means all the brands that we were previously importing under the Outback Kitters Group is now under the America's Garage banner. So we are a specialist importer of great American brands. So not only for just the American trucks, which although that's the foundation of our market, we also have a lot of product for the cool domestic vehicles as well. So if you are looking for some quality products from the United States, make sure you do check out the America's Garage website and see what suits your vehicle. So for context of this vehicle here, this is the Ram 1500 that we had on display on the America's Garage stand at the Brisbane 4x4 show. We got this absolute rust bucket a couple of weeks prior. It's a Ram 1500 DT Limited. It's a couple of years old. It had the air suspension. We've given this a complete revamp. Got rid of a lot of sand out from underneath. Let's go check it out right now. I'm going to walk you through, show you all the things that we've done to it. Kicking it off at the front, we have the flagship Outback Kitters pre-runner bar. It's housing a carbon 15,000 pound winch, so there's a lot of lights. So you've got the underhoop light bar, the side lights, great protection, but it's a really lightweight bar. So the Outback Kitters range of product holds dear to my heart. Launched in 2020. We've got a whole bunch of these that are out there and the range is continuing to expand. So really good to have some of that essential protection at the front of your vehicle with additional lighting, good recovery points and winch capabilities. So speaking of frontal protection, we have the Husky liners. It's the bug deflector that goes on the front of here. So you'll notice on most hoods, along the front of the vehicle is exactly where all those chips come through. So what happens is this goes and deflects bugs, road debris, rocks up and over the vehicle. It's going to prevent any damage happening on the bonnet or the hood of your vehicle and also the windscreen as well. Another great product from Husky are the flares, formerly known as the Bushwhacker flares. We do keep a massive range of these. I personally love the pocket style here. We custom paint all the bolt holes, so I don't want the chrome bolt holes. These look really tight and neat. You also have the smooth ones as well, just making sure that you're going to have that wheel coverage. So as you can see, we've thrown some 35-inch Black Bear tires. We've got these awesome fuel rims and the Apex Designs rapid precision valves. They're pretty gnarly to help deflate your tires in record time. And this is some awesome styling of what we got going on here. So inside here, what we've done is the air suspension delete. We've got the Outback Kitters monotube 2.5-inch shocks. So they're a lot bigger than the factory shocks. You have a lot more oil. They're tuned and valved accordingly to suit our roads here. So 3-inch lift, got the zone upper control arms just to make sure the alignment is all right. And we've also got the 2-inch lifted rear coils in the back with the matching shocks as well. One of my favorite accessories to protect a rig like this, and we have it on all of them, is the Bush Wraps PPF. It's a paint protection film. It's self-healing, so it will help heal once you've got scratches, abrasions, chips or whatnot from serious wheeling, hitting trees, etc. So really cool to have that. Unfortunately, you never get to see it on the vehicle, but basically at the end of 5 years, it's quite easy to go and rip that off and your paint underneath is going to look like new. So protection on the outside is one thing, protection on the inside, we utilize the Amtrucks rubber floor mat. So Amtrucks is an in-house brand of America's Garage. We have a whole bunch of accessories for them as well. The rubber floor mats, they are 3D scanned to suit the right-hand drive Australian conversions, and they come in a whole range of sizes for different vehicles as well. So make sure you go add them for your rig. Up top, we've got the Outback Kitters Adventure Rails Max, one of my personal favorite accessories as well. It's a very low profile roof rack. It's extremely lightweight as well. We utilize a combination of stainless steel and aluminium to get the balance between strength and performance. You have a 50-inch light bar at the front there, it's giving plenty of light, and you've got our downwards facing light here, and this gives light beside the vehicle where it needs to be, not into your neighbor's campsite. The custom-made extrusions are extremely strong. We rate this rack well beyond the load limit of the roof of your vehicle. You're gonna see the white MaxTrax, these are highly sought after, but all the MaxTrax we use for the American trucks, we always get the MaxTrax Extreme. So these are the ones that have the aluminium teeth. They're a lot more resistant to being worn out by these big heavy rigs, spinning your wheels whilst you're bogged, trying to get out of a sticky situation. So if you are gonna get a set of MaxTrax, get an American truck, spend the extra little bit of money on the Extremes, you can get replacement teeth. It's the only set of MaxTrax you'll need for the life of your vehicle. So on the other side of the vehicle here, we do have the Century tonneau cover from our friends at Real Truck. It's one of my favorite tonneau covers at America's Garage. We have a whole range. So we have the ones that manually roll up to here. We do have the electronic ones, and we also have the backflip or the tri-fold, it's also commonly known as. So with the Century tonneau cover from Real Truck, again, one of our favorites. Once it's rolled down, it's super sleek. It definitely keeps all of the stuff in the back of your tub nice and secure. So now at the back of the vehicle, this is the fun part. We've got the new Trucks full catback exhaust with the extractor system as well. So the V8 Hemis are quite notorious for cracking the manifolds, the factory manifolds. So we've got the new extractor system running all the way down. This thing absolutely purrs, but it doesn't drone much at all when you're on the highway or whilst towing. So we do have a range of different exhaust options. So make sure you do check the Trucks range of exhaust to make your V8 sound a little bit nicer. So speaking of towing and rear end support, we do also have the Sumo springs as well. So these replace the factory bump stops. They are a lot longer, so it has earlier contact point with the chassis. Basically, it's an airless airbag. So if you want a hands-free solution where you don't really need to manage the back of your vehicle when you're throwing weight on the back, make sure you check out the Sumo spring range and see what's right for you. Now, if you've come this far in the video, I really appreciate it because this is one of our favorite parts. It's a new partnership with the guys at Decked. Now, Decked are well known over in the United States and around the world for their very intuitive drawer systems. They have the best in-tub storage solutions in terms of drawers. They've got drawer slides. They've also got cool toolboxes that are also part of the America's Garage arsenal. You've also got a variable range of toolboxes that they come with the drawers, so you get an immense amount of value with your Decked drawer slide solution. So there's going to be a whole bunch of videos on the America's Garage YouTube channel about the Decked range of product, and it's something that we're really proud to bring into Australia and distribute. It's not only for the American trucks, there's a whole bunch of products for all the domestic vehicles and some really good fleet options as well, including all the vans. So if you're chasing any of that stuff, go to the America's Garage website and check out the Decked range there. So for me, that's almost the perfect weekender vehicle for us as well. Probably gonna add a little battery and a compressor system in there as well. But if you're chasing a fully blown touring rig or just a daily vehicle, whether it's a tradie truck, we've got a whole bunch of accessories at the America's Garage website. There's also a whole bunch of DIY accessories too. So if you don't have access to one of our amazing 400+ workshops around the country, you can go do it yourself.